How to fix your account cannot be created at this time on Apple ID. If you ever tried creating an Apple ID and suddenly got hit with that frustrating message, don't worry. It's a common issue, and it usually comes down to simple fixes. First, make sure you're not connected to a restricted Wi Fi network. Switch to mobile data or try a different connection. Apple sometimes blocks signups from networks with heavy traffics or VPNs. So turn off any VPN if you're using one. Next, double check your data and time settings. Go to Settings, General, Date and Time, and enable Set Automatically because Apple needs that sync to confirm your region. If you're creating the account through the App Store, try using the official Apple ID website instead, or vice versa. And if it still won't work, wait a few hours. Apple can temporarily limit new account creations from your IP. A quick restart or trying again from another device can also do the trick. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more useful content.